Let's go.
Hello, Shanang! 60 ka na pala. Okay, kantahan na lang kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shanang. Wish you all the best, Shanang, and stay healthy and beautiful always. At napakaswerte mo at may isa kang anak na maganda at isang gwapong anak at lalong-lalo na isang mabait na asawa. Again, God bless you and wish you all the best again. I love you. Wang, wang, wang. Hello there, everybody. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sis
Happy
Evelyn.
birthday, Sis Evelyn. Dad, we wish you good health, long life, happiness syempre. And hope to see you soon. We
Happy
love you,
birthday.
we love you.
Bye.
Happiest birthday, Ate Evelyn. Thank you for being the kikay in my life. I will never be the chechay I am now without you and your guidance. Thank you so much, and I would just wish you good health and more travels with you, more coffee night cups, and I only wish the best for you and your family. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal and how dear you are to me. I love you.
Hello, ate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you, love you.
Tanti auguri di buon compleanno e auguri in questo giorno speciale. I love you, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn. Happy birthday.
You're a blessing to BFF neighbors. And sana wag kang magsasawang i-accommodate kami sa maganda mong bahay. Very comfy house. And sa pagluluto mo para sa amin.
We appreciate your being warm to Yuri. And hopefully, maging well-bonded pa yung ating pagkasama sa BFF. And wishing you a healthier life, more success on your married life with Kuya Sir Randy, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung ating escapades. How bars?
And you're like an ate to me. May you have a happy days ahead of you. Thank you so much. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn.
Bye.
Hello, good morning, Randy and Evelyn.
Hi.
Good morning, nagkakape kami. Oh, balita ko may magbe-birthday dyan. Happy birthday, Evelyn.
Happy birthday to
Halika, kape tayo. Happy birthday. Already na yung senior card mo. Okay lang tayo mag-Manila Hotel. Good morning uli. Sige, mag-Manila Hotel tayo. I-schedule na yan. Yun na lang treat namin sa inyo. Sa iyo pala, Evelyn. Again. Sa iyo lang daw. Hindi kasama si Randy at mga bata. Joke lang. Again, happy birthday. Oh, Marlene, okay. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, sis.
Hi, Sis Evelyn.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day, your special day. Happy birthday.
61 ba? Tama ba? Anyways, happy birthday. See you.
Di naman halata.
See you Friday.
Okay. God bless you.
More
Enjoy your
blessing.
special day. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Ate Ebs. It's your special day today. It's your 60th birthday. Wishing you all the best.
good health, long life, and may God grant your heart desire. Auguri, Timolo Bene.
Happy birthday, Mare!
Evelyn, happy birthday.
Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay. Love you, Mare. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yun. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you talaga.
Happy birthday, Evelyn.
Evelyn, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, of course, syempre, good health lagi. Gandang buhay, blessings sa'yo, blessings sa buong family mo. Ngayon na seniors na tayong pareho, masasabi ko lang, medyo hinay-hinay na. Alam ko kung kaano ka hands-on sa buong family mo. Alam ko paano ka kumilos. So, medyo alalay na lang. At syempre, lagi mong iingatan yung health mo. And I'm so blessed to have you. We've been friends for almost 4 decades. And masasabi ko lang, you're still the same. Evelyn noon, Evelyn up to now. Evelyn na masayahin, Evelyn na laging nakangiti, Evelyn na super daldal. Alam mo yun, no dull moments with you. So, masaya ko na yung friendship natin keeps going strong until now. Kaya, syempre, wish ko lang lagi, syempre, maging masaya ka lagi. Lalo ng today, na birthday mo. Enjoy your special day with your family and siguro some other friends. And have a blast. Enjoy mo. Deserve mo yan. Happy birthday. I love you, my BFF. Love you.
Hi, Evelyn. Mukhang may surprise birthday para sa'yo today, ha? Ningyan kami ni Poji ng video clip para sa araw na ito. I wish and I pray na pagkalooban ka pa ng maraming birthdays, good health, at katapos ang mga bata, malapit na. And in the future, magkaroon din ng maraming apo para ma-enjoy ninyo ni Randy. You deserve all of it. I love you, friend, at patuloy na hiling ko ang marami pang birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday. Sa wish ko lang, sana you have many more birthdays to come. Good health. And sana magkakasama-sama tayo ulit dito sa Italy. Happy birthday.